Hi everyone, my name is Rishabh. Today is the 24th of March 2025, and I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis of Tesla. The max OI level is lower for both PE and CE, that's negative. Quantity is higher for CE, that's negative. Quantity change is higher for CE, that's negative. Short squeeze is higher for CE, that's positive. PCR is below 1, that's negative. Implied volatility is lower, that's positive. Historical volatility is higher, that's negative. RSI is lower, that's negative. There is no divergence, which is negative. MACD is negative, and DMI is bearish, which is also negative. ADX is lower, that's negative. ATR is lower, that's positive. EMAs are both lower, that's 2 negatives. VWAP and pivot point are both lower, that's 2 negatives as well. But the candlestick is neutral. The current support is The current support is 230. The previous support was 250. The current resistance is 250, and the previous resistance was 280. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.